DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. How have you been, children? We hope you all are doing well and pray Almighty Allah to keep you safe.
Alhamdulillah, we are fine at this moment. From today's lesson, we hope that you all learn something new. I, Shakira Miss,
And Iqbal Sir from Dhuvaafaru Primary School are going to take today's teleclass session for you all. Are you ready? Before beginning today's lesson, let's recite the dua for knowledge. Let's read it together.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Students, now teacher is going to share the learning intentions and the success criteria for today's lesson with the relevant key competency. First, let's look at the learning intentions. You are going to learn how to locate different atolls of Maldives using a map and explore number of inhabited islands in different atolls. Next, let's see the success criteria. You will be successful if you can locate different atolls from the given map by doing activity 1. Create a poster by drawing a sketch map of your atoll, including all the details given on task of the lesson. Students, do you know why teacher chose making meaning as the key competency? I have taken the making meaning as the key competency because you are going to use a map of the Maldives to locate your atoll, and also you are going to use some map reading skills like color codes, symbols like ra, ba, kaf. Here are some words that you might not be familiar with, but some students might know it. Let's see the new vocabulary. Atoll, a group of islands with a reef that nearly or entirely encloses a ring-like lagoon. The Divi name for atoll is atoll. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. The Divi name for island is Ra. The third word is uninhabited island. Islands where people does not live. Faluratta. The last word is inhabited islands. Islands where people live. The Divi name for inhabited island is Mihundirule Ratta. Students, before we go any further with our today's lesson, I would like to ask you very simple questions about our beautiful country, Maldives. Students, do you know how many administrative atolls are in our country? Is it 19 administrative atolls or 20 administrative atolls? Yes, you are correct. We have 20 administrative atolls in our beautiful country. Students, can you tell me the southernmost atoll in our country? Yes, great. The southernmost atoll in our country is Sinu Atoll. Students, can you tell me the northernmost island in our country? Is it Kafu Male or Halif Turaku? Yes, we know that Halif Turakunu is the northernmost island in our country. Students, let's watch a beautiful video about our beautiful country, Maldives. Let's have a look. The Republic of Maldives is a chain of about 1,200 small islands in the Indian Ocean. People live on only about 200 of the island. Malé is the capital and the largest city. Maldives lies southwest of India. The islands extend more than 475 miles, 764 kilometers from north to south, and 80 miles, 130 kilometers from east to west. Maldives has a hot, humid climate. Maldives Islands are made of coral. The coral sits on the peaks of old underwater volcanoes. Some of the islands are still being formed, others are being washed away. None of the islands is more than 6 feet, 2 meters above sea level. And also, Maldives is labeled as one of the world's smallest countries.
How breathtaking is the atolls of our country? Did any of you get to have this amazing experience? You would have loved it. Well, let's continue with some more information about Maldives and the atolls. Maldives. Maldives is made up of approximately 1,200 islands. There are 26 natural atolls in Maldives. These atolls are divided into 20 administrative atolls. Atolls consist different number of islands and only few are inhabited. Now we are going to have a look at the 20 administrative atolls and their official names. Atolls of Maldives. The official name of Halif Atoll is Tiladummati Uturuburi. And the official name of Hadal Atoll is Tiladummati Dekunuburi. And Miladum Madulu Uturuburi is known as Shaviani Atoll. And Miladum Madul Dekunuburi is known as Noon Atoll. And the official name of Ra Atoll is Malos Madulu Uturuburi. And the official name of Ba Atoll is Malos Madulu Dekunuburi. And the official name of Lavian Atoll is Fadippolu. And the official name of Kaf Atoll is Male Atoll. Ariatoll Uturuburi is known as Alif Alif Atoll. Ariatoll Dekunuburi is known as Alif Dal Atoll. And the official name of Vav Atoll is Felidi Atoll. And the official name of Mim Atoll is Mulaku Atoll. And the official name of Faf Atoll is Nilande Atoll Uturuburi. And the official name of Dal atoll is Nilande Atoll Dekunupuri. Kolomadulu is known as Ta Atoll. And Haddummati is known as Lam Atoll. And the official name of Gaf Alif Atoll is Huadu Atoll Uturupuri. And the official name of Gaf Dal Atoll is Huadu Atoll Dekunupuri. And the official name of Navian Atoll is Fuamula. And Sin Atoll is known as Addu Atoll. And the official name of Sin Atoll is Addu Atoll.
Students, in today's lesson, we will be having a close look at Kafu Atoll, and we decided to take this atoll because capital of our country is also in this atoll, and you will get so many things to explore as there are many industrial sites as well as in this particular atoll. Kafu Atoll Islands. The another name for Kafu Atoll is Malay Atoll. Malay Atoll consists of two separate atolls, North Malay Atoll and South Malay Atoll. Together with Kasido Island and Dhuvaafaru, Malay Atoll forms the administrative division known as Kafu Atoll. Kaf is the administrative name of the largest atoll of the Maldives. Most of the economic and tourism activities occur in this atoll. It is located in the center of the chain of the Maldives. Inhabited islands in Kaf Atoll. There are around 10 inhabited islands in Kaf Atoll. Male is the capital city of Maldives. Male is located at the southern edge of North Malay Atoll. Administratively, the city consists of a central island, an airport island, and two other islands governed by the Malay City Council. And the inhabited islands in Kafu Atolls are Mafushi, Hura, Kashido, Dhuvaafaru, Himafushi, Gurado, Diffushi, and Guli. Here is the beautiful picture of Kasido Island and the Dhuvaafaru Island. Students, here is something you all need to put little focus on. The capital island of Kafu Atoll. Tusto is the capital island of Malay Atoll or Kafu Atoll.
Okay, students, now I'm going to talk about resort islands or uninhabited islands. Resort islands are classified as uninhabited islands which have been converted to become resorts. Most of the uninhabited islands in this atoll are taken to develop resorts. Around 48 resort islands are in Kaf Atoll. For example, Akirifushi, which is in North Malay Atoll, Velasar, which is in South Malay Atoll, and Biadu is in South Malay Atoll. And last but not least, Bodbandos, which is also in North Malay Atoll. Here is the two pictures of two different resorts. In the first picture, it is Grand Park Kodipar, Maldives. On the second one, which is Taj Exotica Resort and Spa. Now I will be talking about other uninhabited islands in Kaf Atoll. They are Ara, Fedufinolu, Funadu, Girifushi, and Huragadu. And Girifushi is used as a military training camp. Dunidu Island is used as a detention facility. Funadu is used for oil storage. Guligathura is for staff accommodation for nearby resort. And you can see in the slide a Funadu Island. Now here is two pictures of Tilafushi and Tumbafushi, which both are used as industrial islands. How about we do a little activity now? So students, are you ready for it? Yes, let's go for it. So here is activity 1. Locate different atolls. You can see a map of Maldives atolls, and on the other side you can see 5 different atolls with 5 different colors. The names of atolls are in this slide is Ra Atoll, which is in blue color, Kaf Atoll, which is in purple color, and you can see Sin Atoll is in red color, Faf Atoll is in green color, Lavin Atoll is in yellow color. So you have to help me to find out where Ra Atoll is. Where do you think Ra Atoll will be? Yes, correct. So now we are going to circle that Ra Atoll. What color will we use to color the Ra Atoll? Yes, we will use blue color. And what about Kaf Atoll? Which color we will use to find out the Kaf Atoll? Yes, we will use the purple color. Good. And where is Sin Atoll? Yes, it's in the town. We will use to circle this with red color. And we will color or circle Faf Atoll in green color. And for Lavin Atoll, we will use yellow color. Yes, very good.
Students, are you ready for the task of the day? You need a reference map of your atoll and the stationaries. First, trace the shape of the atoll with the inhabited islands. Next, use a marker and bold the lines. Next, use a marker and bold the lines and color the map. Next, label the all inhabited islands with the capital islands of your atoll. So here I have drawn a sketch map of my atoll, Ra atoll, and I have labeled all the inhabited islands in my atoll. And also I have used red color to label the capital island and the remaining islands in blue. So students, I am sure you are more creative and have brilliant ideas. So I would like to see your best and neat work.
So students,
are you ready for the quiz time? So we are going to play the quiz to check how much you have learned from today's lesson. So we have prepared some question cards, and if you want to make a question cards like this, you can take the help from your parent or any of your family member.
and also you can get 30 seconds to answer each question.
And for each of the questions you will get 3 options, option A, B and C. And remember that you can also see the questions below the TV screen. This time I am going to play this quiz between Sakiramis. The first question I would like to ask Sakiramis is, what is the capital island of Kaf Atoll? The capital island of Kaf Atoll. The 3 options are Mal, Tulustu and Mafish. What is your answer?
My answer is Tulustu. For me, I think Tulustu is the capital island of Kaf Atoll.
Yes, you are correct.
So Iqbal sir, are you ready for the second question?
Yes, I am ready.
So your question is, which atoll is Mars Madul Dekunuburu? And your options are A. Ra Atoll, B. Shavian Atoll and C. Ba Atoll.
My atoll is Ra Atoll and the official name for my atoll is Malasmadu Uturban. The next atoll to my atoll is Ba Atoll. So I think the Malasmadu Dekunubari is the Ba Atoll. Am I correct?
Yes, you are absolutely correct.
Okay. The third question. What is the southernmost atoll in Maldives? The southernmost atoll in Maldives. The 3 options are Naveen Atoll, Sinu Atoll and Alif Atoll. What is your answer?
My answer is Sinu Atoll.
Yes, Sinu Atoll is the southernmost atoll in our country.
So, Iqbal sir, tell me, how many administrative atolls are in our country? And your options are A. 36 atolls, B. 20 atolls and C. 15 atolls.
We have 26 natural atolls, but it's already divided between 20 administrative atolls. So my option is 20 administrative atolls are in our country.
Yes, it's right.
2, 3.
We know that almost all the students has given the correct answer for each of the questions. We believe that you will play a quiz like this between your parent or between your family member. So let's give them a big round of applause to all the students who has participated and give the correct answer for these quiz. Let's give them a big.
Before we wind up today's lesson, we want to remind you all to complete the poster activity that we have given to you. Make sure to complete this poster activity before the next lesson.
And that's all for today's lesson. We hope that you all had a great time with learning about the atolls of Maldives, and most importantly, we hope that you know how to locate your atolls from given map.
Until then, stay safe and don't forget to wash your hands.
And make sure you should attend all the prayers and recite the Quran every day. And we hope that we will meet you soon with another lesson. Have a great day. Wassalamu alaikum.
DPS TeleClass